Hey guys, I'm Paul. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's get cooking. Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever gotten in your fridge and opened up and seen a big bowl of steamed rice left over from the day before or a couple days ago? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a couple beautiful fried rices with that rice. Very easy, quick, really inexpensive, and to satisfy the whole family. Sit back, enjoy. Let me show you how we do it. let's give this a go. Light, fluffy, the pork is delicious, the cabbage, the egg, the peas, the carrots all work well together with the onion, and the sauces do justice to this rice. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. You gotta give it a try. Not too complicated, very easy, quick to make, good for lunch, good for dinner. Give it a go. Now let's try the vegetarian.
You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away, I am drifting away. Wasted youth, wasted love. Yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose, cut me loose. I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. Now I'm drifting Give me something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. No, I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away, I am drifting away. you're still with me all the time.
The vegetarian version is just as lovely. As a matter of fact, it's a bit lighter, not having the pork or the meat in it. If you want to be vegan, just get rid of the egg, and it's pretty much vegan for you. Everything else is pretty straightforward. The flavors combine really well together with the light soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce. You can get vegan oyster sauce made out of mushrooms, which is fantastic. Guys, you have to give it a go. This is the end of our show. I hope you enjoyed it again today. If you did like it, please give us a like. And if you want to see more like this, please don't forget to subscribe underneath and ring that bell. That way when we post something, you'll be the first one to know about it. Once again, thank you for the comments and the feedback. By the way, from the comments, the mustache. It's Movember. We're growing this for charity, for men's health, mental health, and prostate cancer. So for the month of November, you'll see me with a mustache. In December, we'll be gone. We'll see you again soon, guys. Goodbye.